Hello and welcome to Olivia's channel. In this video I will show you how to make this amazing garlic mushrooms appetizer or side dish. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients. I will put the details in the description below. Start by washing and drying the mushrooms. Mushrooms absorb a lot of water, so quickly wash and dry them. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 of oil to a large fry pan with low-medium heat. Wait until the butter melts and starts bubbling. Add the diced onions. The onions should be finely diced. They will add sweetness to the dish, but we want the taste in the background. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until they soften. Add the mushrooms. I recommend small bite-sized mushrooms. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes until the mushrooms have a golden brown color. Stir continuously. We want golden brown on all sides of the mushrooms. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine. If you don't have any, then white wine or vinegar. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Crush the garlic cloves on top and cook for 1 minute. It is important to cook the garlic cloves for at least 1 minute to reduce its sharpness. We want the garlic taste but not too dominant. Season with salt and pepper. Add half of the chopped parsley. Mix well and taste. If needed, adjust seasoning by adding more salt and pepper. If the garlic is still sharp, cook for an additional minute. Add the rest of the finely chopped parsley. Give it a couple of minutes for the flavor to blend together. Transfer to a serving dish and enjoy while still warm. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this recipe once you tried it. Also share any tips and tricks with me and other viewers. Thanks for watching.